Hello everyone and welcome back to another adventure in Coriolis. Today we have a very exciting adventure for you. We're here at Gravelly Point right next to Washington Reagan National Airport right behind us. And we're going to watch some planes. Today they're taking off right behind us. Here comes one now. So come on, it's time to get this adventure started. Now, Gravelly Point is actually in Virginia. When you cross the Potomac, you're in Washington, D.C. But if you do want to access Gravelly Point, you'll want to come across 395 or across the Potomac some way. And the George Washington Memorial Parkway is actually right along Gravelly Point. That's going to be your access if you're coming by car. Now, the Mount Vernon Trail, which is a bicycle path that goes from Mount Vernon into Washington, D.C., it does come right through Gravelly Point. So if you're taking a bike from over in Washington, D.C., that's a great way to access it. If you're coming by foot from Washington, D.C., you are going to have to walk across probably one of the bridges in town, and then just look for the Mount Vernon Trail. It'll bring you right to Gravelly Point. Definitely check it out. Some handy tools that you might want to download on your cell phone to have is either Flight Radar 24 or FlightAware. These are both sort of near real-time aviation, plane, flight tracking apps, so you can see what planes are taking off. And it's also fun, you know, when the planes go overhead to see, you know, where they're coming from or where they're headed to, either, you know, arriving or departing. So definitely have one of those tools at your disposal when you come here. Also notice from this viewpoint here of Gravelly Point, if you look over to the left, you're going to see the top of the Thomas Jefferson Memorial, and also you can see the Washington Memorial there as well. And then over more to the right, if you look closely, you can see the top of the U.S. Capitol building. So great views of Washington, D.C. from this park. And of course, between here and there is the Potomac River, which is beautiful, and a lot of folks are down here today just enjoying the beautiful day out in Washington, D.C. one of the cool things about taking off from Reagan National Airport is, especially when you're taking off from the north, and this is actually one of the clips in my intro video for my channel, you bank so far off to the left or so far west as soon as you take off the runway, and you can see that as we've watched some of these planes depart. That's because directly north of the end of the runway is Washington DC and the White House, which is a no-fly zone. So it's a steep incline and a steep banking off at the same time, and it's really an experience unlike any other from any other airport in the country and probably even the world, just because of that steep incline and sharp bank as you're taking off. If you are departing from DC and want to take a chance on it, get on the right side of the plane. You'll have a fantastic view of Washington DC as you take off. You can see behind me here, these are actually the runway lights and equipment that help the planes land, because the runway is just right over there. So the planes are coming in so low when they're coming in over Gravelly Point to land that they actually use this equipment just right here next to us. This is actually a fence keeping everyone away from the equipment, but this is how close you can get to the runway here at Washington Reagan. Thank you all for watching this adventure in Coriolis. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to the channel, I invite you to please subscribe. We have more exciting adventures to come here and around Washington, D.C. over the next couple of months. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, thanks for watching. Listen to all the recreation elements to Gravelly Point. If you need to make a phone call, forgot your cell phone, they got you covered on that too. So they got all the great amenities here at Gravelly Point.